So years ago, I was building an outdoor shower and I wanted to get some hot water there. And my existing tank was too far away from the shower, so I looked for another solution. Turns out that existing solutions hadn't changed in over 100 years.
Right, so the old technology, which is actually still the new technology, is what is out there today, is that you have something that's incredibly hot sitting in a tank of water of some size. What you end up with, because there's this big difference between the temperature of that thing and the water, is that the water starts to boil on the surface of the heating elements. When that happens, you get scale, which sticks to the heating elements. The scale eventually causes the heating elements to fail. If you were to open up your hot water tank, you would see a lot of things in there that you wouldn't want to shower in. In our system, so we only heat the water to the exact temperature you need and nothing else is getting hot. So the water that's coming out of our system is identical to the water that's going in, it's just warmer.
If it weren't for SCRA's SD Launch program, it'd be hard to be where we are right now. Their money helped, their support helped, but it really gave us a lot of credibility for future rounds of financing. And when we talk about partnerships, we're working with the state of South Carolina, and that adds a lot to us. The difference in our technology is that we actually use advanced electronics and use the water itself as a heating element,
with the goal of having the utmost purity, precision, and performance. I would say way back when, hot water was actually a luxury. It was something you didn't have even every day. It then transitioned to a commodity that everyone expected to have but didn't really understand how it worked. And so now we've actually made it something that you interact with on a daily basis. You should know your water quality. You should know how much energy you're using to heat your water.
And so depending on the application, our technology surpasses any existing solution out there, whether it's perfect temperature control in a coffee maker, or endless hot water for your home, or products like Tetra, where we've revolutionized countertop dishwashers.
Imagine that you're actually out going for a run. Your phone knows that you're exercising. It knows when you're getting close to your house, and presumably you may want to say, hey, every time I take a run, I'm going to take a shower after, and I want it to be at a different temperature than the shower I take when I wake up. And that can all happen behind the scenes, and you just walk in and it's set up and ready to go. Your teenage kids have been in the shower for the last 45 minutes, and now you want to put an end to it. Pick up your phone, hit the button, and the temperature's going to ramp down.
Probably the coolest thing about this company, from my perspective, it's the fact that once people hear about it, they want to be part of it. We haven't had to go outside the state for anything we're trying to do. Everything sits here in South Carolina, and the resources are here. The network is huge, and everybody's willing to help.
What we actually do is we've taken hot water heating out of your basement, out of your closet, and made it something that's part of your everyday life. And that's something totally new that nobody else can offer.